Ever felt like you were paying more for the privilege of trading than you were actually making? Like every time you wanted to buy or sell a stock, a little chunk of your potential profit was just disappearing? You're not alone. We've all been there. Think about it. Those commission fees, those little charges for every transaction, they add up. Especially if you're an active trader, making multiple moves a day or even a week. It can feel like you're constantly battling against the house, where the house takes a cut no matter what. And in a world where every dollar counts, where every percentage point matters, those fees can be the difference between hitting your financial goals and falling short. You're trying to build wealth, grow your portfolio, maybe even achieve that financial freedom you've been dreaming of. But then, those commission fees, those seemingly small amounts, they start to feel like tiny roadblocks on your path. Now, imagine a world where those roadblocks are gone. Imagine trading without that nagging feeling of fees eating away at your potential. Sounds good, right? Well, things are changing. And one of the biggest changes we're seeing right now is a shift towards commission-free trading. But it's not always as simple as it sounds. There's always a but, isn't there? And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We're going to talk about the new $0 commission structure at Questrade, what it really means, and how it impacts you. Before we jump into the specifics of Questrade, let's briefly touch on the broader trend. Commission-free trading has been gaining momentum for years. It started with disruptors who wanted to shake up the traditional brokerage model. They realized that by eliminating commissions, they could attract a whole new generation of investors, particularly younger, more tech-savvy individuals. And it worked. The competition heated up, and traditional brokerages started to feel the pressure. They had to adapt or risk being left behind. But here's the thing, $0 commission doesn't always mean completely free. There are often hidden costs, or alternative revenue streams, that these platforms rely on. For example, they might make money through payment for order flow, where they receive compensation for directing your trades to certain market makers. They might also charge fees for other services, like premium data or advanced trading tools. So, it's crucial to understand the fine print. Now, let's get down to brass tacks, Questrade's new $0 commission structure. Questrade, a well-established Canadian online brokerage, has recently made a significant move by introducing commission-free trading for specific types of trades. But it's not a blanket $0 commission for everything. That's where the details matter. Here's the breakdown. Questrade is now offering $0 commission for buying exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Yes, that's right. You can buy ETFs on Questrade without paying any commission. This is a huge deal, especially for long-term investors who rely on ETFs for diversification and passive investing. ETFs are a popular choice because they offer exposure to a basket of assets, like stocks or bonds, and they often come with lower expense ratios than mutual funds. Why ETFs? Well, ETFs are a cornerstone of many investment strategies. They are relatively low cost, easy to understand, and offer instant diversification. Questrade is clearly positioning itself as a go-to platform for ETF investors. This move is likely aimed at attracting and retaining clients who are focused on building long-term wealth through diversified portfolios. But, and this is a big but, the $0 commission only applies to buying ETFs. Selling ETFs still incurs a commission fee. And, of course, trading stocks, options, and other securities still comes with standard commission charges. So, if you're an active stock trader, you'll still be paying commissions on your trades. Let's dig a bit deeper into the specifics. The $0 commission applies to all ETFs listed on North American exchanges, including Canadian and US exchanges. This gives you access to a vast array of ETFs, covering various sectors, asset classes, and investment strategies. Whether you're looking for broad market ETFs, sector-specific ETFs, or even thematic ETFs, you can buy them commission-free on Questrade. Now, the question is, why this move? Why is Questrade offering $0 commission for buying ETFs? There are a few possible explanations. First, it's a competitive move. Other brokerages have already introduced commission-free trading for ETFs, and Questrade likely felt the need to keep up. Second, it's a strategic move. By focusing on ETFs, Questrade is targeting a specific segment of the market, long-term investors. This allows them to differentiate themselves from other brokerages that offer commission-free trading for all securities. Third, it's a way to attract new clients. The allure of commission-free trading is a powerful marketing tool. It can entice potential clients to open an account with Questrade and start investing in ETFs. Once they're on the platform, they may also start trading other securities, generating revenue for Questrade through commissions on those trades. So, what are the implications for you? If you're an ETF investor, this is excellent news. You can now buy ETFs on Questrade without paying any commission, saving you money on every transaction. This can significantly reduce your overall investment costs, especially if you're making regular contributions to your portfolio. However, if you're an active stock trader, this change may not have a significant impact on you. You'll still be paying commissions on your stock trades. So, it's essential to consider your trading style and investment goals when choosing a brokerage. It's also worth noting that Questrade offers other features and services that may be attractive to investors, such as a wide range of investment products, advanced trading tools, and educational resources. These factors should also be considered when evaluating Questrade as a brokerage. One potential drawback to consider is that while buying ETFs is free, selling them is not. If you are an active ETF trader, the selling fees might add up. So, it really benefits those who buy and hold ETFs for a long period of time. In addition, be sure to review the expense ratios of the ETFs you are considering. Even with $0 commissions, a high expense ratio can eat into your returns. Finally, it's always wise to compare brokerages and their fees. Don't just jump on the bandwagon of $0 commissions without seeing if another broker offers a better overall package. So, to recap, Questrade's new $0 commission structure applies only to buying ETFs. It's a significant move that benefits ETF investors, but it doesn't eliminate commissions for other types of trades. It's a competitive move, a strategic move, and a way to attract new clients. But it's crucial to understand the details and consider your own investment goals before making any decisions. Ultimately, the best brokerage for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're an ETF investor, Questrade's new $0 commission structure may be a compelling reason to consider them. But if you're an active stock trader, you may want to explore other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.